Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best eyelash dye is probably one of the most effective beauty treatments for enhancing your eyes. It's a simple yet transformative process that darkens, thickens, and defines your lashes, making them appear fuller and more vibrant. Whether you're looking to ditch the mascara or just want a low-maintenance beauty routine, this video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing the perfect eyelash dye. Number 5. Lomansa Lash Color Kit, Natural Black. Tired of thin lashes and brows? This kit is designed to give you a natural, fuller look. It's everything you need to enhance your eyes. Enjoy a beautiful, glossy black color that lasts up to 4 weeks. This kit works perfectly with your lash lift kit, and it only takes 15 minutes to apply. Forget about lash extensions and heavy mascara. This kit offers a simple way to change your look instantly. It's a quick and easy solution for more beautiful lashes. Get professional quality results at home with this complete kit. It includes everything you need for coloring your lashes and brows. It's easy to use and gives great results. When you squeeze out the black color, it might look brown. Don't worry, this is normal. The final result will be a beautiful, natural black color. What we like? This kit gives you a natural black color that enhances your lashes and brows. It's super easy to use, taking only 15 minutes to apply, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a simple way to achieve fuller, thicker lashes and brows that last for weeks, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Overall, this product does what it's supposed to do. Pretty easy application, but you have to be experienced with mascara to be comfortable with the application. It will darken your eyelashes, brow hairs. It works, easier to do than expected. Number 4. Instant Lash and Brow Set, Coffee. This coffee color set helps you achieve professional, long-lasting lash and brow color. The formula penetrates deep into the hair shaft, delivering vibrant color that lasts up to 4 weeks. It's easy to use, suitable for both salon professionals and DIY enthusiasts. You can easily apply it yourself within 15 minutes by following the manual. Choose the color closest to your hair color. The gentle ingredients make it perfect for those with sensitive skin. You will see natural and perfectly shaped lashes and eyebrows at the first time. The formula will leave your lashes and brows feeling soft and silky, rather than stiff or brittle. It nourishes and conditions your hair while providing vibrant color. One kit can be used multiple times, about 5 to 6 times. You don't need to buy separate kits for lashes and brows. Why not enhance your beauty with it? We are always here to help. What we like? This kit is a 2-in-1 solution for both lashes and brows, offering a coffee color that complements your features. It's incredibly easy to use, allowing you to DIY your look in just 15 minutes. If you have sensitive skin and desire a natural, long-lasting color, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. Mine are a perfect down brown with the coffee shade. The product does actually work. This has made them look as though I've used a lash curler before mascara without having touched either of those products. Number 3. AYASAL Eyelash Lift Kit. Tired of expensive salon visits? This kit allows you to achieve stunning, lifted lashes in the comfort of your own home. It's easy to use and delivers professional results. Made with non-toxic ingredients, this kit is gentle on your lashes. It's designed to give you the look of extensions without the cost or hassle. Don't worry if you're a beginner. The clear instructions make the process simple and straightforward. Instructions are available in multiple languages. Enjoy lifted and curled lashes for 4 to 6 weeks. Proper aftercare makes it a convenient and low-maintenance beauty solution. Whether your lashes are long or short, this kit works for everyone. It provides a lifelike lift for all lash types. Get amazing results in just 30 minutes. This kit includes everything you need, saving you time and money on salon visits. What we like? This lash lift kit delivers professional quality results with its high-quality ingredients. The instructions are easy to follow, making it suitable for beginners. If you're looking for a long-lasting lash lift that enhances your natural lashes and saves you money, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The kit comes with detailed instructions that are clear and simple to follow. My lashes have a beautiful, natural curl that opens up my eyes and makes me look refreshed and put together, even on those hectic mornings. The products are gentle on my eyes and didn't cause any irritation. The quality of the ingredients is top-notch, ensuring a safe and effective lash lift every time. Number 2. 2-in-1 Lash and Brow Kit, Black. This kit is designed for both your lashes and brows. It's a versatile 2-in-1 solution to enhance your natural beauty, making them look fuller and more defined. It's a simple way to achieve a polished look. The formula is waterproof and sweatproof, ensuring your look stays put. It uses natural, non-irritating ingredients for safe and effective results. You'll see a natural enhancement instantly. The kit includes all the professional tools you need. With the easy-to-follow manual, you can apply it yourself in just 15 minutes. Choose the color that best matches your hair for the most natural look. Enjoy the results for up to 6 weeks after application. Remember that the color may vary slightly depending on your skin tone. Always perform a skin test before your first use to ensure the best results and longevity. This kit offers multiple uses, allowing you to skip expensive salon visits. Achieve the bold, attractive brows you've always wanted without the time and cost. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. This 2-in-1 kit provides a natural look for both lashes and brows, making them fuller and more charming. The effect lasts for up to 6 weeks, giving you long-lasting beauty. If you like a kit that offers both convenience and lasting results, you should consider this one. What people say. It's the easiest way to dye eyebrows and lashes. All I do is use a little Vaseline around the skin above and below my brows with a Q-tip so the dye doesn't stain my skin, and then I use the brush and the spoolie to apply it to the hairs, and after the time's up my eyebrows look incredible. I like how long it's lasted, and it looks super nice and makes me feel great to wake up and have my brows on for the day. Number 1. 2-in-1 Black Color Set for Lashes and Eyebrows. This kit is designed for both your lashes and brows. It's a multi-use product that makes them look fuller and more charming. It's a convenient solution for your beauty routine. The kit provides a natural look, and it's waterproof and sweatproof. Formulated with natural ingredients, it gives you perfectly shaped lashes and eyebrows. You'll love the results. It comes with all the professional tools you need. You can easily DIY your own coloring within 15 minutes by following the manual. Give it a try and see how easy it is. The effect can last up to 6 weeks after application. Remember to do a skin test before the first use. Using it safely ensures the effect will last, enhancing your beauty. This kit offers great value with multiple uses. You don't need to buy separate kits for lashes and brows. It's a cost-effective way to enhance your beauty. We are always here to help. What we like. This 2-in-1 kit is designed for both lashes and brows, offering a natural and charming look. It's easy to use with professional tools included, allowing for a quick 15-minute application. If you are looking for a kit that provides both convenience and a natural look, you should consider it. What people say. It effectively turns my blonde eyelashes black. The formula is easy to apply and doesn't stain my skin. My brows look fuller and more defined, and the color lasts for weeks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.